You can see she's pretty dirty. Okay, so today we're going to replace the intake air filter for our 1990 Toyota 4Runner. So for the second gen 4Runner, ours is a V6. I'm not sure about the 4-cylinder models, but for the cabin air filter and the intake air filter, it's the same filter. It's underneath this cover right here, and it has 1, 2, and 3 little clips like this that hold the cover on. The filter I'm going to put in today to replace the old filter is a CA4939 size filter, Fram brand, as you can see. According to the Haynes repair manual that I picked up for the 1980s and 1990s 4Runners, they say that you should replace your air filter every 30,000 miles or 24 months, whichever comes first. However, if you tend to drive on a lot of dusty roads, there's a note in there that says you should replace it every 15,000 miles or 12 months. So if you take the filter out of the box, it's a round circular filter like this, not like the one on the picture. So right here, here's one of the clips. You just lift up and it slides off. And you do that to the other 3. And then lift off this housing here. Let's reach underneath here, pull out the filter, and now you have your filter out. You can see she's pretty dirty. So you can see just down in the filter housing here, it's still pretty dusty. I'm going to grab a vacuum cleaner and suck that out before putting in the new filter. So as you can see here, the filter on the right is the one we just removed. It's fairly dirty compared to the new filter. The orientation in which it goes into the housing, this black ring will be on top. Just lift up the housing, slide in your filter, and it just rests on that black ring. Place your housing back down and do up your 3 clamps. So that's how you replace the air filter on a second gen 4Runner. Thanks for watching and hope this helps. Cheers.